We were searching for a good restaurant, but suddenly we saw this temple and we decided to visit it. I think it is a famous temple, and today is Saturday, so this temple is so crowded. A very good smell is felt, which is similar to the smell of sandalwood. Let's go to visit this temple. This temple is so colorful, and you can see a lot of paintings on the wall, a lot of statues and candles. I don't want to talk a lot here because people are busy praying. I think it is rude to talk, so I just take video from this temple. Hello sir, can you open it? Wow, the smell is so good. I really like to try it. Your plate is a leaf, it is so cute. They cook this food in bamboo wood. It is very exciting. Today we had a plan to go to the Buddhist temple. This temple is one of the biggest Buddhist temples in Malaysia. But on the way we discovered this lake. It has very amazing I become so tired. We finally arrive after a long walk. Unfortunately, we came so late and this temple is closing. In the near future, I will come a day early and catch a very good movie. Because there are a lot of details, I should take video in detail. Various.